In this demonstration, I will introduce one method that using camera and combined with layer adjustment to create a very simple but a very effective black-white conversion with enhanced detail for this landscape picture. You may using Command 1 to switch to a basic adjustment, which is a shortcut using quite often. Click B and W icon here and to switch to black-white conversion. So this is a very effective way. Most of the time, you may want to using exposure. This is a very good traditional way to adjustment the overall image brightness. Next, for sure, is to using black adjustment to enhance the most dark part of the image to enhance the overall dynamic range. To avoid any over adjustment, using O and O to monitor the overexposure and underexposure area. Blue area indicates that part is 100% black. And the red color area indicates that part is 100% overexposure. Next, you should try to experiment with the enhanced details area, which is the texture, clarity, and dehaze. They all function different, but they can play a very important role to enhance the image. Using P to switch the preview to see the difference before and after. Curve is very important adjustment to enhance the large group of the whole image. For example, the middle tone of the image. You should always think about add the sharpening at this point to try if that fit your adjustment goals. Most of the time, it's working very good. Next is to add green effects. So it's usually very helpful for making the image looks more visible, less digital. Additional steps can be made to make the image more unique and professional. By adding a gradient fill with some default black-white gradients, we can give this bottom area more advanced control. To apply a simple overlay effect so we can darker this bottom area, then you should consider to change the opacity of this layer to get more customized control. Don't forget to turn on and off those layers and to see the difference and make a decision. Now it encourages you to replay this video and watch the whole process at once.